Hello jelly babes, thanks for coming back to my channel. So this is my design for a prompt for a challenge. I call this Forest at Midnight but this is Glam's Nails Challenge. If you want to join it, then you can follow Bianca from NB Nail Art or Glam's Nails Challenge and look for the next prompt. But this is the design that I did. I hope you like it. So I have already done the base. If you've not seen how I've done this, I will leave a link to the video of the products I used to get me to this point. But you've probably already guessed that Magpie Pandora has been involved with this mani. So I'm using my Uberchic plates today. So I'm going to be using these obviously tree images here to do a built up layered forest look. So first up is this BeautyBigBang stamping polish. It's Royal Blue Shimmer or Shimmer Royal Blue or something like that. So it's probably good if you've got a clear jelly stamper for this one, because obviously you are going to be putting these, going to be doing this 3 times, sort of layering it over each other. I don't know how well you can see this on camera, but you want to go ahead and obviously do all of the nails with that same colour. Then I'm coming in with Hit the Bottle Purple Rain. Absolutely love Hit the Bottle stamping polishes. So again, get rid of the bits that you don't want, and then I am putting that over the previous trees, but obviously just underneath it, so you're kind of coming down each time. So it kind of builds up a shadowed, layered effect. And then I'm finishing off with this black stamping polish, which is obviously, you're going to see that more predominantly. And again, I'm going to place that there, like so. So that's kind of like the forest build-up. And then I wanted to add some moon and stars. So I thought that these were quite cute actually, and I was going to make it more predominant, because normally these are a bit like a little bit of a spot on your nails. So I thought I would, I don't know, make the moon and stars more obvious. So have you got the Pandora dust that I think everyone's trying to get their hands on right now? It is absolutely amazing. I did do like a review, and you can do this over obviously plain colours, and you can do it over glitter, and if you put it over a fine glitter like I've done, the results are just amazing. It just looks so different in so different lights. Like some of it you can almost just see chrome and you can't see the glitter, and then you move it down and it's all glittery and sparkly. And I think that's why I made the moon and stars a bit more predominant, because it kind of looks like it's like a sparkly night in certain lights, if you see what I mean, where you see like the blue glitter underneath more. But yeah, but I just love this. I haven't been this excited about any nails I've done on my own in a long time. So hopefully this will last. It's got enough product on to last. Because yeah, I just can't stop looking at it. It's just a super pretty mani. So obviously you want to pop this in the lamp for the amount of time that your polish needs to be in. Normally it's 30 to 60 seconds for a top coat, dependent on which one it is. And this is the reveal. Thankfully the sun came out so you can see it's sparkling away. I can't tell you how much I love this mani, jelly babes. Look how sparkly it is in the sun, but in certain lights, can you see how you've almost got like that aurora borealis look going on? And it still looks amazing in the shade as well. I hope you guys like it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.